C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z Y and Z Y and Z. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I'm your course teacher Muhammad Mansha, and I'll teach you English alphabet. They are 26 in number from A to Z. Last time we have learnt first 21 letters of English alphabet. Now we'll learn next letter, that is V. V. This is 22nd letter of English alphabet. It gives sound V. V. V for van. V for village. V for violin. Good. Some other names? Valley. And do you know the name of the game which is starting from V? Volleyball. What? Volleyball. Good. Now we'll learn how to write this letter V. For this purpose, we'll use dotted sheet. And this worksheet will help you to write letter V. For example, van, vest, and vase. Van, vest, vase. Good. Now you can write the letter V with the help of your index finger 10 times. You can trace this letter V. After that, you can trace the letter V with the help of your pencil 10 times. Good. Now move on to the next block on the same page, number 40. The first block is carrying different letters. You can identify the letter V and circle it. Good. Now move on to the next block. It is carrying different pictures. You can tell the beginning letter of these pictures and read the names of these pictures loudly. Yes?